Hang on. Take that chain, put it on the other leg, see if you pick up your little stick. Yeah. Go counterclockwise.
I'll get out here so you guys can hear me. If anybody's, I don't know if anybody's tuned in yet. But we're getting a new press brake, so we can do more of our own manufacturing right here in the good old US of A. So we are at building 2. This is our warehouse where we keep our long-term inventory, and manufacturing is in here. We also do our projects, so the camping trucks and the different off-road stuff we do for our different vehicles that I use in my videos. This is where we do it. We do have a lift. So this is gonna swing. This is gonna rotate quite a bit when he lifts it. So we just want to be sure it doesn't rotate too fast. But we've got to get it off the wooden blocks, get it off the dunnage, and so we can set it on the concrete floor. We don't have exactly the right equipment for this, but we're making do with what we have. If I walk over here, I'll show you our other manufacturing equipment. This is a vibratory finisher, so this will finish parts, deburr parts. Then we have our punch press here. This will make sheet metal parts, and it can do forming as well. The press brake was just another item that we were needing to do all the parts we'd like to do. Sorry about the jittery camera. We'll go ahead and get it put into position, and we'll do some bending and kind of learn how to use that machine. We still have some plastic hanging from the ceiling because we kind of built a paint booth for painting the 66 Ford. So, hey Brian. That's right. Yeah, reinvesting into American or USA production here. So here's the old Ford project. You can see we're working on tenting in the back. I don't want to show you too much because I don't want to spoil it. So it's going to be really cool though. We've got some cool, fun ideas. And then I brought the van over to get it out of the sun. And it needs a once over. We need to go through it and get it looking good again. Mechanically it's still doing really well, but we just need to freshen it up, get it ready for another video. And then I got my dad's old boat. My dad isn't fishing anymore. He's gonna turn 89 here pretty quick, but we thought this little aluminum boat would look good behind the old Ford. So we're gonna polish it up and get it looking nice, and we'll do some fishing videos with the old Ford come next summer. Then we have my mountain truck. This is the goat, the mountain goat. Both because it can go pretty much anywhere. It's got front and rear locking differentials. It's got a Toyota diesel, so that hood scoop is functional. That goes to a intercooler for the diesel engine. So yeah, I plan on taking the old Ford to some shows, maybe the Overland show, so we have that trailer. And I'm going to pull that trailer with the Golden Nugget, which is a Gen 1 Tundra that we're going to be fixing up a little bit, repainting. We'll pull that paint booth down and repaint the Golden Nugget so it's not golden anymore. Looks like they're getting pretty close to having that thing in position, so that's good. Maybe just some fine tuning, and we'll be ready to wire that up and do some bending. That'll be awesome. Anyway, thank you for joining us. We got a little industrial stuff going on today. That machine right in front of me, that's a die press for our leather products, and that's what puts the logo right there, puts the logo on our leather products. Vanya's driving the forklift. And then these guys are the ones we bought the...
Got about a foot. Get away from the wall about a foot.
Anyway, I think we can work with that. Sorry, I haven't been watching these chats come through very much. That is a hot foil stamper, actually. That does have heat that applies for the foil stamping. Yeah, I love those old trucks, Brian. Hello, Chris. But anyway, so we'll get that wired up, and maybe I'll bring you back a little bit later today, and we'll do some bending with it. Anyway, thank you all for checking it out.